Good morning everyone. I am Shabina Fatma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about some of the tests we should conduct for detecting the adulterants present in milk sample. So what is milk? Milk is a colloidal solution having so many nutrients, protein, lactose, etc. So it is a nutrient rich food material, but there are so many adulterants which are added to milk to increase its quantity or to increase its shelf value, or for so many other reasons. There are so many adulterants which are added to the milk, like the urea is added to fake the protein value of milk. Natural milk also contains urea, but added urea is for increasing the protein value. Like the ammonium sulfate is added to increase the lactometer reading, or like the boric acid is used. Boric acid is what? Boric acid is preservative, so it is added to increase the shelf value of milk sample. So we conduct so many tests, so many chemical tests in order to check the purity of milk sample. Like for example, if there is added sugar present in milk, then we can go for tests like resorcinol reagent is added to the milk sample, and then the solution is kept in water bath for 3 to 5 minutes. So the appearance of red color indicates the presence of added sugar. You can remember this test by RRR, means the reagent used should be resorcinol, and the color which we get is red, and sugar, so the last letter is R. So likewise there are so many techniques. Now let's if there is the presence of added starch in milk, then we can perform the iodine test to check its purity. We have to take the in every test we have to take the sample, then add the reagent, and then see the result, then see the color actually. So the milk sample is taken in a test tube, then it should be boiled for some time, and then 1 drop of iodine solution is added to it. Then we have to look for what? We have to look for the color, what color it will give. So the appearance of blue color indicates the presence of starch, added starch. Now if there is presence of added glucose in the milk sample, then we can use Barford reagent, because for performing every test we are using one reagent. So for testing the presence of glucose in milk sample, we will use the Barford reagent, and then the test tube is boiled for some time under boiling water bath, and then 1 ml of phosphomolybdic acid reagent is added to it. The color is, if the color is blue after addition of these reagents to the milk sample, then it is a clear cut indication that it contains the glucose. If there is the presence of, because sometimes the milkman added additional common salt to the milk sample, additional common salt, because salt is also white in color and the milk is also white in color, so they add salt to it sometimes. So for salt is what? Sodium chloride, NaCl. So for checking its presence, we should use the reagent containing silver nitrate. So when we go for chemical reaction, when silver nitrate reacts with sodium chloride, it gives what? It gives silver chloride. And then if we add potassium chromate to it, then the appearance of yellow color indicates the presence of common salt. You get surprised to know that there are so many chemicals which are added to milk which we drink, like hydrogen peroxide, which is used basically for cleaning wounds, is also added to milk sample sometimes. For what? So hydrogen peroxide is also added to milk sample. So for checking its presence, we can use the reagent having paraphenylenediamine. If there is the appearance of blue color, then it contains hydrogen peroxide as an adulterant. Formalin is also added to the milk sample to increase its shelf life, because formalin is used as a preservative. So for checking its presence, we can take the milk sample in the usual manner in test tube and then add the 5 ml concentrated sulfuric acid to it, and then drop wise add ferric chloride to it. If there is the appearance of blue or violet color, then it is a clear-cut indication that it contains formalin. So there are so many adulterants which are added to the milk sample, and for checking its presence there are so many chemical methods, and in every method what we do, we take the milk sample, then add the reagent to it, and then check the color. The color indicates the presence of chemicals present in the milk sample as an adulterant. So friends, this is all about some of the chemical techniques used for checking the adulterants present in milk sample. So if you like the video, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.